Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're gonna talk about this new Samsung Galaxy A71. This is a new Samsung phone in A series guys. So the A71 is made up of plastic. It looks like glass though. It's really dazzling when it catches light guys. Okay, the screen is 6.7-inch display. It lights and comfy in hand. It feels like very comfort in hand. Screen does a good job in terms of brightness, and it has optical finger print to wake up and unlock the phone. It always show you the time and notification when it is sleep, and the audio quality which I'm gonna talk about is really amazing guys. And it has 128 GB memory, and it has side gesture options as well, which you can find in the new Samsung S20 series. And the battery life, which is really important, is 4500 milliampere guys. So it gives you a good battery timing guys. In terms of a battery, it's a really good phone guys. If I talk about the charging speed is 0 to 51% with the half an hour. Okay, and it has at the back side, the most important thing, it has L-shaped quad camera setup. So the cameras are 64 MP, and then 12 MP which is ultra wide, then 5 MP which is macro cam, and then we have a depth sensor guys. Okay, about the selfie camera is 32 MP, and you can record 4K video with selfie camera guys. So these look quite good, and video stabilization option is also available in both rear and front camera. It also has the super sturdy mode on the ultra wide, which is even more smoother, sort of like action mode guys. So these are the features, and I recommend you, if you are like want to buy a mid-range Samsung phone, so this is a really amazing phone guys, and it has really nice look. So I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.